In this video, we will talk about 5 ways to use technology in your business growth strategy. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from RS Technology. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Growth is one of the key goals for every business leader. And no matter if you're the head of a small local company or one of the leaders of a global brand, it's probably safe to say that your strategies revolve around growing your business. There are many directions in which you can take your company's growth, but before you first have to build a strong growth strategy, one that will not only facilitate success, but also help you scale your operation and keep employees productive during times of growth as well. At the center of this strategy should be, you guessed it, technology. Digital transformation is one of the driving forces behind long-term growth and success in the modern business world, simply because technology helps expedite numerous processes, automate various operations and manage remote workers with ease, and make your own life a lot easier while ensuring a smooth rise to the top of your industry. That's why today, we'll be putting all of this into perspective by giving you the 5 ways you can integrate technology and digital solutions into your overarching growth strategy to achieve better results. Build your digital presence with social media. Digital marketing should be at the forefront of your growth strategy, as it can be one of your most powerful growth tactics over the long term, especially now that more people have access to digital content than ever before. As the world becomes more and more connected to the web and other devices via IoT applications, you have the golden opportunity to capture the attention of a global audience and transform your business into a global venture with ease. Of course, you should utilize all digital marketing methods to ensure growth, but you might want to pay special attention to social media. Social media is on the rise around the world and presents a unique opportunity to build a loyal brand following and create a strong inbound marketing approach that will attract quality leads to your website and inspire conversions, which means that over time you won't have to pour money into paid ads and will acquire lifelong customers organically. Let cloud computing take you forward. Cloud computing has been around for some time now, yet only now are business leaders finally recognizing the long-term benefits and potential of migrating their operation to the cloud. Given the fact that cloud computing brings increased operational efficiency across the board along with enhanced cybersecurity and various tailored applications, make sure that your cloud provider can tailor their service to your unique needs. It's only natural that companies of all sizes are increasingly migrating to a digital platform. However, in order for this transition to the cloud prove fruitful, you have to have a professional team handle the migration process in order to maintain efficiency and service availability, so that you can stay productive and online at all times without wasting any resources. Once the migration is complete, you can enjoy the full benefits that cloud computing brings to the table, including technologies that fit the needs of your employees, all of which will help your company grow in the long run. Enhance communication with VoIP. Another pillar of long-term growth and success is communication. Now there are 2 ways you can leverage good communication to grow your company internally and externally, the first being a good communication hierarchy, and the second being communication technology. The former is a topic for a completely separate article, but the latter is instrumental in achieving efficiency, productivity, and success. The technology you need is VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. This is a cloud-based solution that acts as a fully digital phone system for your entire company. And good VoIP services and providers should not only offer low-cost national and international calls, but they should also provide you with full mobile optimization and various handy features like call scheduling and forwarding, virtual assistants, video conferencing, and much more. Once you integrate VoIP, you will be able to manage remote teams with ease, strengthen your sales department, enhance HR and PR, and facilitate growth. Optimize everything for mobile. Mobile technology is all the rage right now, which should come as no surprise seeing as how employees and customers are using mobile to communicate, surf the web, make purchases, and organize their lives in a more efficient way. You need to take advantage of the growing mobile trend to optimize all of your processes for the mobile demographic. From mobile recruiting to having a mobile-friendly site, from mobile sales to mobile marketing, the possibilities are endless. Leverage big data analytics for success. Lastly, your growth strategy should be backed up by relevant and verifiable data, which means that you have to utilize big data analytics. With so much information flowing around the web nowadays, you can only hope to do this efficiently by combining big data analytics with artificial intelligence in order to collect and collate vast amounts of data without wasting time or money. When you have the right data in your hands, you can easily adapt your strategy, its tactics, and your entire approach on a moment's notice. Wrapping up, technology drives the business world forward, and if you want to succeed over the long term, you need to embrace digital transformation. Weave these technologies and solutions into your growth strategy to take your company forward in 2022 and beyond. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.